Hey, Chad here with Reno Hexayurt. Behind me, we have the new Hexayurt 2.0 that we just released. We have a micro front door aspect in front of the yurt. The point of this video, though, is to show you the installation process as well as the breakdown process. Let's go check it out, all right? We're just gonna show you the quick process of breaking down the Hexayurt 2.0. So check it out. Step one, we're just going to detach the rope halo that was put on at the very end. Step two, we're going to detach the pulleys that are connecting the roof to the base. Step three, we're going to disconnect the base. There's 4 points that are holding it together. Then we're just going to fold the units up, put it away, break down the tarp, pull the stakes, break down the template, good to go. Very simple, straightforward and easy. So these just easily detach right off of the stakes. So step two, you're just going to disconnect the roof from the base from the pulley systems that are attached to it. All right, step three, we're just going to take the roof directly off the base. It's just gonna fold up and we're just gonna set it right on the ground to be put in the package. The next step, there's just 4 temporary anchor systems attached to the base for windy conditions. We're just going to detach those and fold the base directly up. So now we're just going to fold the base into itself. It all folds in like an erecta set. So breaking down the Hexayurt is a very simplistic process. You just follow the steps. Nothing of it should be overwhelmingly hard. The hardest part that you will deal with is just removing the nail spikes because they are 8-10 inches long. But that just comes with the territory because they're required to make sure when there's heavy winds that you're properly anchored down. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, send us a text, WhatsApp, social media, visit our website or our customer service forum online as well. Thank you for watching the video and we look forward to talking to you soon.